What's up, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be trying out the Grimace Shake. Let's go. Hey guys, you're watching the Guard Post. Ahead and ordered myself a Grimace Shake. So here we go on picking it up. That cashier was way too buff to be working at McDonald's, but got myself the Grimace burger. Grimace Shake, so let's go. Here we go. Yep, thank you very much. Okay guys, I got myself a little Grimace name tag. We're gonna take a look at the Grimace Shake. Will I grimace at the taste, or will my taste buds be amazed? We'll find out in a moment. I can't get anything out. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to need to shit my brains out after this. Ugh. Ooh. So it kind of tastes like blackberry. I forgot. Oh shit. I forgot. We got to do a fry test with the Grimace Shake. Otherwise, you can't tell. So give me a second. Gotta get that fry in there. If you don't eat your shakes with fries, what are you doing with your life? Real talk. The best French fry shake combo would 100% be a Wendy's Frosty with their fries. Those are fucking great. But if you're not mixing that, that was kind of very mid. I'm gonna have to like pop the lid off. It looks like. I would say it was a mid dip. Not that good, not that bad. But salty plus sweet always goes well. And I know a lot of people argue with me about that. And you're all wrong. I'm always right. Get fucked. Oh, I'm gonna be real. This shit kind of reminds me of being little me, way little. Oh shit, I fucked up. It reminds me of being a way little child. And there used to be this farm called Blackberry Farm, and I used to go there as a kid, and we'd go ride the train and fucking go at the water park. This taste literally is that memory. I don't know why. It's literally that memory pops up in my brain, and it's just like, fuck, man, I've got that nostalgia feeling right now, and it's yeah, 10 out of 10 for nostalgia, 8 out of 10 for taste. But it's a good shake. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and leave a like and comment. I don't upload here often, but check out my other channel. Otherwise, this has been the FridgeVlogs. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.